Dear students, now I am discuss about the binary search. In previous class, if you discuss about the sorting. Now, what is meant by binary search? You just go for, I give you a short definition only. After that, you just go for in brief what is meant by binary search. You just go for binary search, a shorter array by repeatedly by repeatedly dividing dividing the dividing search interval search interval in of in of begin begin the begin with begin with an interval covering the whole array. In that, binary search is sorted array. You are declaring for sorting based on you are searching the interval. If you're giving for example, you are to giving for example, if you're giving for now n number of elements. In this n number of elements, you have to in which element you have to search. In that part, if you are divided for off, based on a part, you have to explain each and every element if you have to search. If middle item is greater than greater than item, then item is searched in sub array to the right of the middle item. Otherwise the item is search in sub array to the left of the middle item. The next point, we are declaring for binary search also known as off interval search or logarithmic search algorithm that finds the position of a target value within a sorted array. So in this binary search, we are declaring for a in which element your target. I give you a number of n number of element. In that element, in which element your target. In that is the shorted array. Based on here, you are sorting if you are declared. Also, if you are binary search, if you say for off interval search or logarithmic search, both are same name. Binary search or off interval search or logarithmic search. You are followed by this much of name also. You just go for if we have n records which have been ordered by keys so that x1 less than x2 less than up to xn, when we are given an element for x, binary search is used to find the corresponding element from the list. In case x is present, we have to determine a value for j such that a of j equal to x is for successful search. If x is not in the list, j is set to 0 for unsuccessful search. So you have to find out the which element. In that element will be, you have to find out means is that element is given for particular location means if you have a successful search. Otherwise is not mean particular list in particular number, you have to unsuccessful search. That is the way you have to declare for successful search and unsuccessful search. Next, binary search, we jump into the middle of the file where we find a key of mid value and compare for x with a of mid value equal to a of mid value, then the desired record has been found. X less than of mid, then x is the in which portion of a predis based on a mid value, similar if a of mid greater than x. Further, the search is necessary for first of the 5. Very forceful search, you have to binary search, you have to find out in the for each and every level. The array size is roughly halved often to comparison. Already we have to save it for halved, you have to declaring for your divide options based on a off search. Based on a off search, you have to declaring a particular position. This is the very important algorithm. You have to declaring algorithm. In your array values, you are starting indices for 0, but you are declaring a 1 also. But in these books, yeah, I refer for in these books if you're giving for 1, but I'm taking for refer for 0 only. I'm start with for indices for 0 to n only. I'm declared in your example. You just go through in this example is a normal if you declare whatever it is, you are starting in this is 0 or 1. So I'm in this algorithm if you're giving a 1 to n only, increasing order for n greater than or equal to 0, else part low equal to 1. So in case I'm starting with for low equal to 0 only, I'm start with for low equal to 0 only up to n terms if you are declare. This is the very important algorithm. How will you calculate for mid value? Low plus I divided by 2. Then in case you are declaring for low value means you have to declaring for low equal to mid plus 1, high equal to mid minus 1. This is the very important logic. I will explain for your example. You just go through and directly go for example level. What you are given, if you're giving for your first, how will you calculate for mid value? Mid value equal low plus high divided by 2. Then how will you calculate for? You just go through algorithm. What are the points? Mid value if you calculate for low plus I divided by 2. Then I value if you calculate for mid minus 1. Low value mid plus 1. You have to calculate for low value equal mid plus 1. Then high value equal mid minus 1. This is the very important formula based on a formula if you are searching the elements. Okay, you just go for, I am declaring your first level. So how many elements I am giving? I am giving for total for 9 elements. So I am starting indices for 0. So I am taking for 0. Next I am taking for, next I am taking for 1. Next I am taking for 2. Next I am taking for 1 2 3 3. You have to declare. Next I am declaring for 4. Next I am declaring for 5. Next I am declaring for 6. Next I am declaring for 7. Next I am declaring for 8. So I am totally, if you are declared for, I am using for array concept. Array concept we are declaring for, we are using for starting indices of 0 based on a array element. I am taking for 9 elements. If you want means if you are declaring 1 to 9 also, whatever it's. I am taking now, if you are declaring for 0 to 8. So what are the values I am giving? I am giving for a, now I am searching for a mid values. I am searching the mid values first. What are all the mid values I am searching? So I am searching for mid values for next 17, next 23, next 38, next 44, next 84, next. So if you have any other missing, I'm missing for 12, 17, 23, 38, 44, 77. I'm missing. Okay, missing for 77. After that, if you go for 84, after that I'm going for 90. Totally 9 elements. So in what the formula, if you are declaring a first level, you are declaring for a first level, you go for, now this is for a low level. I'm getting a colors also if you declare. Low level. This is for your high level. This is for your high level. So I am searching the position for a mid values. So mid values நம்ம எப்படி calculate பண்ணலாம்? So mid values we are calculated for low, next mid high value, next mid values. Already if you are calculated for your in your first level, low value for 0, next high value for 8. This is the first step. Now if you calculate for your mid values formula mid equal low value for 0 plus high value for 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Now mid value for 4. I'm using a colors, this color. Now you have to calculate for, I'm using a bold also. Okay, now 4 is the mid value. So low value 5, mid value 4, high value 8. So in between we are calculating a array sizes. Based on a sizes you have to calculate for low and middle and wide values. So no need to, we are giving for particular values. Okay, particular elements will search for. For now mid value for 4. Okay, so you just go for mid values. You just going for what you have to searching element for 44. I am searching the element for 44. Now mid values for 38 less than 44. 38 less than 44 means, so we have to calculate for once again in between. This is for your low level. This is for your mid values. This is for your high values. Okay. So now you have to understand. So now I am searching the element for 44. What I am asking a questions for? You have searched the elements are 44. So now mid values for 38 only. So 38 compare with searching element for 44. So you in that time you have to calculate for your, this is for your low level elements compare with searching element. So that's why if you are including a formula for low equal mid plus 1 equal, now mid values for 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5. So now the change for the mid values, so you just given, so if you are giving for same thing, I just copy. So it's not work. I type it. Is that? Now the we are declaring for array sizes 8. So in previous session we are declaring for what you have to given previous section. We are declaring for a low, high, then mid values. In previous session if you are declaring for a low value for 0, high values for 8, mid values for 4. Now if it changes for mid values, so now the mid values for 5. Now the mid values for 5. So you just searching the elements for 4. So if you change for, now the mid values for 5 means mid value is 5. So this is for a high values. What you are searching element for 44. So mid value is for 5. We are calculating for a mid values equal to 5. So you just increasing a sizes. I give a values for 44 fifth position, then 44, next 77, next 84, next 90. Okay. So now we are declaring for a high value. You are searching element for 44. So searching the element for 44. So if you change for mid values, low values equal to middle plus 1 equal to 4 plus 1. So now the low values for 5, low values for 5. Now change for low value 5. Next high values for 8, high values for 8. Okay. So this is for your low value, low. Next you just calculate for your high values, high values. Okay, you just change. Okay, now if we calculate for, this is for a high values. So high values every now you have to calculate for in which one formula is there. In previous if the compare with 38 less than 44 means you are calculate for low equal to middle plus 1, then middle values for 4 plus 1 added. Now the high values you have to calculate for high values means high values how will you calculate it? High values high equal middle minus 1 middle minus 1 equal, so now the middle value is for 6, middle value is for 6. Now if you mention for a low value, so how will you calculate for middle values? You just wait. Middle equal low plus I, low plus I divided by 2 means, so it just low values for 5 plus 8 divided by 2 means we are totally for 13 divided by 2 means your values for 6.5, you just selected for a 6. Now the middle values for 6. So in that time you are searching element for 44. So middle values for 6. Sorry, I values first. Okay. I values for 8. Next middle values for 6. So now I am searching the elements for search the elements for 44 greater than 77. Now the which values if you are giving for high values. So high values means you have to declaring a one formula for high equal middle minus 1 equal, now middle values equal middle values for 6 minus 1 equal 5. Okay, if you go for third level, you just go for third level. In the third level we are declared third level for here I am using for values. One, six, 7, 8, 8. Now the already if you are declaring a what all the function if you declare first level I am using for this low, high, middle. In first middle level, low level 0, high level for 8, next middle level for 4. We are declaring for 4 only in first level. Next in second level we are declaring for a 5 is the middle level, high level for 8. Next, middle level for 6. Middle level for 6. In third level, you just go for, in third level, we are calculator for your low middle values. Just if you are calculator for middle values, now the low values for 5, we are calculator for low values for 5. So you just go for 44 only. I fill it. Remaining elements, you have to fill it. Just I mentioned. So next, first go for, we are calculator for mid values. We are calculator for your low values. Already if you are calculator for high values also, high values formula, you just declaring a high equal, you are searching element for greater than 47. So greater than 77 means this is the high values. So now I am using for high values for 5. Already low values for 5. In which formula we are declared, you just calculate for your mid values. Mid equal low plus high divided by 2 equal 5 plus 5 divided by 2 equal 10 divided by 2 equal 5. So you just go for low value 5, mid value 5, low value 5, mid value 5. So all the elements for this is the now which one is this only for, if you are declaring for your this is for your low low and low value, mid value, next high value for low value, mid values, high values for, you just wait I will. So entire things for low and middle are entire values here. Low value, high value, mid values for entire for 44. I am searching the element for 44. 44 equal 44. This is for your successful search. Successful search. You just once again I will explain in one more first onwards. I am taking for totally for 9 elements. You have to listen first once again. Totally for I am taking for 9 elements. In this array level, starting indices for 0, ending indices for 8. You are totally for 9 elements. Inside this, I am calculating only following this formula only I am using. I will calculate for mid values, low plus I divided by 2, low equal to middle plus 1, I equal to middle minus 1. Your starting level, this is for low level, this is for your mid level, this is for a high value. So mid values எப்படி calculate பண்றோம், 0 plus 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. This is a mid values. So now you are searching element for 44. So 38 less than 44 means this is a low level. Compare with for low level. So we are calculating the low value. You have to divide for, how will you calculate for low value? Low equal middle plus 1 equal to 4 plus 1. Now the low value will be changed. So where it is changed? Yeah, this is for a low values. Then this is for, how will you calculate for mid values? Mid values, if I calculated for your low plus I divided by 2 equal to 5 plus 8 divided by 2, 13 divided by 2, 6.5. So you have to take for 6. So totally you have change for low, middle, I will be changed. Now the searching element for 44, but you have mid values for greater than 77. So the value will be for high, compare with for searching element. So now the high value means, high value if you had search for I equal to middle minus 1 equal to 6, middle minus 1 equal to 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Mid values you have calculated. Now the low value is for 5. So mid value is for 5. Then high value is for 5. Y means high value is also 5. Y means high values if you calculated for mid minus 1 equal to 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Okay, mid values if you calculate for 5 plus I. That's mean for low plus I. E divided by 2, 5 plus 2 divided by equal to 10. Now the searching element for 44. This is the binary search. You have to, very important formulas. You have to remember every time if you ask mid values. Low plus I divided by 2. Then if you have searching element, compare with searching element, it should be low means. If you calculate for change for a low value, middle plus 1 equal to 1. After that, high value is equal to mid minus 1. So this is the answer. Very important problems. If you have any doubts, you just send it to your comments. This is a very important. Okay, you just once again I will explain for one more example also. You just go for, so in this example we are declaring a, I am searching element for 101. So now the low value 1, high value for 9. So low plus I divided by 2 equal to, totally for 10 you have to calculate for 5. So now the mid value is for 5, high value is for 9. So you are searching element for 101, but compare with your mid value is for 5 only. So compare with for less than 9. So comparison for, you have to x equal to 92. So you just change your values for 6, 9, 7. So comparison for third comparison 4 level. After that comparison x equal to 42, 101. So finally you just go for comparison for, you are increasing a, he is not found. Why means you are searching elements for 101. If it is successful search, if you have successful search means order of 1, then order of log n for average cases, order of log n for worst case. In case unsuccessful search for this level only. Okay, what is the analysis for best cases? T of 0 equal to 1 based on a logic only if you are declared. Is a very important. You are understanding a formula for mid value is equal to low plus I divided by 2. Then low value means you have to declaring for your, in this formula you have to declaring for low equal to middle plus 1, high equal to middle minus 1. This is the logic. You have to very simple binary search. Very important. You just go for, this is the logic. Okay, thank you. If you discuss in your next class for linear search. Thank you.